Hi guys, so I'm about to step out and I got my lip gloss today, Chanel lip gloss. I decided to finally treat myself after so many years. It was $30. I didn't want to buy it. All these years I didn't want to buy it, but finally treated myself. So, but this is how the package it came, and I'm not happy. It came in, I took it out of the packaging it came in, which was filthy from transporting, which is not a problem. But I thought it would have been packaged a little better, so not happy with that. So I got it from Macy's, and this is how it was packaged. So we're gonna open it. I gotta open it like this because I'm holding my phone, guys. Can't find my tripod. So this is how it comes in bubble wrap paper. So, right? Taking out with the receipt wrapped around it. Alright, so this is it. My first Chanel lip gloss, friends. First Chanel lip gloss. So I'm excited to try it. Oh my goodness. I had one of my colleagues had it on, and I knew it was a good lip gloss because I asked her, and I was like, what lip gloss is that? And then she told me, and that was weeks ago, my friends. Beautiful. You know I'm a sucker for gold. Anything that shimmers. Oh my god, this is beautiful. One moment, guys. Okay, guys. So I got it halfway open. This is horrible opening, doing this while holding the phone. I'm sorry. So I'm going to try it with you guys. Look at that pigmentation of that color. Oh, beautiful. Has a beautiful gloss. Look at that. So I'm stepping on the night of the town, my friends. Haven't been out in a long time. Going out with my sisters. I love it. It's beautiful. So this is a Chanel. I'm gonna let you guys know how long it lasts. Right now it's 11:45 p.m. Not a.m. yet. So I will check back and let you know how long it lasts and if it holds true to what it says. Beautiful. My first Chanel lip gloss. Bye-bye. Well, it's 8, but I'm still out, guys. And my lip gloss has stayed intact. I know the reason why I came over, I had to put it on again. It was because I drank something. And that was it. Otherwise, from that, it's good. It's not bad. I love it. Well, guys, you can't see. I'm trying to make you see. Well, my lip gloss stayed intact. It only came off only because I had drank something, and I had my mask on, so I kept rubbing against the mask. But otherwise than that, it works. It stays intact. I love my Chanel lip gloss. Lips are still moist. Guys, so I'm walking right now, and this is probably day 3 of the lip gloss. Still loving it. The Chanel lip gloss is really nice. It's smooth, shimmery, glossy. I'm trying to show you guys, but the sun glare is making it not obvious, but this is it. Alright guys, that's it for my Chanel review. Have a great day. See you guys later. Till next time with Just Being Creative. Bye. Or mix it up with Jan. Never know what I'll post or show. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, Just Being Creative. Bye-bye.